Everybody wanna see me throw a fireball, but that's not right, not in real life. You won't fall down and break your leg. Everybody wanna see me break a neck, well I don't.
What is up YouTube, Dressing in TV here, and today we're gonna be unboxing or fit up, whatever you call it, a gaming chair. It's finally here. I don't know if y'all can see me, but it's here. A big gaming chair, man. So finally I can sit down comfortable and play some good games. Yeah. So I'm gonna be taking it out of the box and try to fit it up and follow the manual. Manual what? Yeah. So I'm gonna tear it down now and see. Oh my god. Just to make sure everything is in camera in focus. Is everything in focus? Good. Okay. Gotta be careful. Oh, it's a good thing I did. It's a good thing I was careful. So many stuff in there. This is a back. Perfect back right here. Cushion. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Whatever this is. More back. Hell yeah. Oh my god, this thing's weighty. The feet. More stuff for the back. More handle. Yeah, that's it. Oh my god. Oh, let's get this out of here. And that's everything. So we're gonna put it together now. This box here feels like the tools. Yeah, the wheels and stuff. But got the screws. Alright. Did not see any manual. What's in here? Stuff. Alright. This is a lot of work. Oh, this is a manual. I'm sweating. in. Manual. Okay. So I'm gonna have to follow the manual and get it up and running. So I'm gonna time lapse the video. You guys gonna see everything. So stay tuned. yeah, so I'm set, all set. Looks awesome. Yep, it looks awesome. I can drop it, rise it, like that. Hell yeah. I can recline it. Oh my god, I can. This shit is dope. This shit is dope. But yeah, guys, so I finished this chair. It's awesome. So I didn't say this before, but I got it for my Christmas, and due to the shipping, it's reaching now in January. But it's thanks to my sister. She's the one who ordered it. So thumbs up to sis. Thank you, sis. I like this chair. I love it. It's a little fault though. There it is. I'm not sure what happened to here. It's damaged. You can see right here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably get a red tape and just mask it. However, that's fine. So so yeah, it's pretty awesome chair. Awesome chair, man. I'm hella happy right now. So I don't even know how to use it. There you go. Perfect. So I just in the back of my neck and voila, I'm set. So thanks for watching, guys. Just Singing TV. Holla. Like, subscribe, share, hit that hit that bell icon down below, right? Yeah, you should hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I send the video. So yeah, more video coming soon. Holla out your boy. Just Singing.